Hello everyone, I am Mahesh Patil, Senior Manager at Hitachi India Pvt Limited, Infrastructure Systems Division. India is currently the second largest producer of crude steel. To build a stronger, self-reliant nation with robust infrastructure, India is massively scaling up its steel manufacturing capacity. I am proud to say that Hitachi Infrastructure Systems Division is working closely with partners to drive the success and contribute towards this endeavor. With a mission to drive the industry's sustainable growth, we collaborated with Steel Authority of India Limited, India's largest steel manufacturer by the central government. Harnessing Hitachi's globally proven expertise in automation systems and digital solutions, we successfully commissioned level 1, 2 and 3 of a new hot rolling mill. Hitachi's level 1 system enables the steel maker to control the basic sequences and automatic functions of the individual equipment in the hot mill. Hitachi's L2 system allows process automation with algorithms to control functions such as crane movements. We automated coil yard control system and slab yard control system through algorithms to enable SAIL to maximize production capacity, reduce costs and improve workers' safety. Finally, we also supplied the level 3 automation system that enables top level production planning, supervision and control. With Hitachi's end-to-end automation solutions, the steel giant can now produce new grades of steel and diverse product range to accelerate India's infrastructure modernization. The steel plant is significantly contributing to company's 2030 vision to expand its steel manufacturing capacity to 50 million tons per annum from current 19 MTPA output. The project also scores high on environmental sustainability. By enabling zero liquid discharge, we are ensuring that no industrial wastewater gets released into local water bodies. Conferred with Green Awards, the Rourkela steel plant is also enabling SAIL to execute yard operations, rolling operations and entire life cycle of manufacturing activities mill in an entirely paperless manner to minimize its carbon footprint. Through its pioneering green and digital technologies and innovation capabilities, Hitachi will continue to build a robust infrastructure and create a nation that is digital, resilient and sustainable.